Set theory examples 1 and 2. So in example 1a, it says give 2 examples of sets defined by describing the contents of the set. So we need to start with a set of all, and then we're going to describe our set. So I just have a couple examples, and then maybe you could think of some more. So let me do something mathematical right now. The set of all whole numbers, let's say even whole numbers, less than 10. The set of all even whole numbers less than 10. And just to refresh your memory, remember whole numbers are like the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, with the inclusion of 0. So when we talk about only difference between whole numbers and counting numbers is 0. Okay? And then for my second set, it says a set of all members of my family. Okay. So then it says give 2 examples of sets defined by listing the elements of the set. Braces are required. Remember, this is extremely important, especially on a test or a quiz. So I actually chose some examples in A that would be easy for me to list. So the set of all even whole numbers less than 10. Remember, we start with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and since we said less than 10, we're going to stop right there. And then the set of all members in my family, that would be me, my husband, my daughter. Oops, her name is not Kelly. Fix that. Name is Natalie, and then my son's name is Tim. Okay. All right, I'm going to pause this and we'll turn to the next page and look at example 2. In example 2, we have listed set A to have elements 3, 6, 9, 12. And set B is a description, right? Let B be the set of all numbers on a standard 6-sided die. Well, I find when we're talking about whether or not something is an element, if we can list the elements after the description, it's a good idea. So we know on the sides of a standard 6-sided die, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so let's answer the questions. Is 3 an element of A? Well, I see it listed there, so yes. Is 3 an element of B? Well, I see it listed there, so yes. Is 5 an element of B? Well, there it is, so yes. Is 5 an element of A? No, I don't see I don't see 5 listed. Is the empty set an element of A? I do not see that symbol listed anywhere, and it says remember that an element must be a part of a description or listed. So no. What elements of set A are also in elements of set B? Well, do I see 3 in set B? Yes. Is 6 in set B? Yes. But not 9 or 12, so I think that just about does it. And I don't really think I needed the braces here. They didn't ask for a set or anything. They just asked me to list those elements, so I'm good.